Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a payment method on Google account. First of all, you can open the Google app. I can already open the Google. After opening the Google, you can just simply now tap on search. And here you will just simply search Google payment. Now you will see the option Google payment, tap on it, and here you can now tap on payment and subscriptions, and after a few seconds of loading, this type of page will be open to your screen, and now you can tap on manage payment methods, and a few seconds of loading, you can now tap on add a payment method. You will just simply enter your billing address, or you can enter your card number, year or CVC, and now you can tap on save. And this is the way you can add payment method on Google account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks.